Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you friends how you can watch the 1080 videos in the YouTube application at the moment during this lockdown. So because due to this crisis friends, the YouTube and other streaming services, they decided to drop the resolution to very low. So now a lot of users are asking me how you can watch the 1080 resolution or 720 resolution in the YouTube application, and here is the video for you all friends. And also do subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know how you can install this kind of LED notification light in any Android phone, so there is a video on that friends. As you can see right now I'm using the OnePlus 7 Pro, which doesn't have any LED notification light, but I installed this app, so which is very good, and you can check the playlist in the description friends for the best Android applications. So in the best Android application playlist you can find very good interesting videos. So here you can see how you can install the LED notification light in any Android phone. And also to join in my group in the Telegram group, so where you will get up-to-date information about all the APKs which I have described in this video. So first thing friends, in the YouTube in India right now you cannot watch more than 480 resolution. So let me demonstrate that example. So right now I'm in the Australia fan, so here there is no problem with the YouTube, so I can watch with the 1080 without any trouble. So as you can see friends, if you notice here I can easily play the 1080 resolution. So only in India and few other countries they are blocked. So this is the reason in India you cannot play the 1080 resolution any video in the YouTube application. So what you need to do is that you need to download any other VPN application friends from the Play Store. So try to download any VPN application, and there are plenty of free VPN services as well. And in this video for the demonstration purpose I'll be choosing the Turbo VPN, so which I am using for pretty much long time. So once you are in the VPN, so here you get the settings. So just you need to tap on the flag here. So once you are there you will get the list of free countries where you can connect friends. So don't connect to India, you can connect any other country. So right now at the moment I'll be connecting to the United States. So in this way I'll be using the United States servers, and there the YouTube is playing with the full resolution without any problem. So only in India it's a problem. So now you can select one of any other country rather than India. So once you connect it to the internet, then definitely friends you can access with the 1080 resolution. So as you can see right now with the 1080 resolution I'm able to play the YouTube videos without any problem. So for another demonstration, let me open the same application. Let me try to disconnect. So now I will show you friends what happens when I connect to India. So as you can see friends clearly, when in India this what happening, so you cannot play more than 480. So that's all friends. This is a small kind of trick where you need to download VPN service from the Play Store, and then you can change the country to any other country rather than India. You can change to United States or Canada or any other country. So in this way, which helps to use the YouTube with 1080 resolution without any problem. So because I'm receiving I think more than 50 to 100 comments which I've received in my channel that I'm unable to play the YouTube videos more than 480 resolution, not in 720 and 1080. So what's the reason? So here is a video friends. In this way you can be able to play with the 1080 resolution without any problem. So try to select United States or any other country. So definitely this trick will work in terms of increasing the 1080 resolution in the YouTube application. So for more videos do subscribe to my channel friends. So do check out this LED notification light. So you can also get a 2 LED notification light for 2 different applications, the colors you set. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.